Hi beautiful people, I'm Ashley, and in this video I want to show you some more native and non-intrusive way to show your feedback button and your feedback forms. I'm going to go through 3 ways: the website inline forms and the mobile SDK, as well as the custom button. When you create a new project, you'll be asked how would you like to collect feedback, and there are 5 options. If you're looking to create a more native experience, meaning that if you want the website widget to be embedded and looks like a well-integrated native element, then you can choose the website inline form. This will give you a code for you to embed the widget, the form, directly onto your web page. So that means your users, when they're submitting the feedback or when they see the feedback form, it will be within the page and there will be no buttons or no pop-ups that is disturbing the experience. This is particularly good for small device or small screen sizes. So if a lot of users are coming from the tablet or the mobile website, then it's good to have this website inline form so that there's not too many things that is clouding the user interface. So let's go ahead and create a project. So once you're in, you can build your survey and you can customize the form. You'll be able to add different fields and you can also delete them if you don't want it. Then when you go to publish, you have the code to copy and paste so that you can have the inline form at the place that you want within your HTML. This is an interactive form, meaning that when your users are putting in the rating or putting in the answers, they are directly doing it on your web page and within that widget. And once they hit submit, they will see the outro note, which is thanking them for their time and their feedback. And that is how it works. So now I want to show you an example of how we use it on our help page. It's an example from README.io, which is a CMS for you to build your help center. And at the bottom of each page, you can add an element for your users to rate if the page is helpful or not. If you have a mobile application, you can also send the surveys within the mobile app. And using UserSnap, it can save you a lot of development resources. So let's create a project. You'll be able to build and manage the content on the feedback form over on UserSnap's dashboard. And once you're ready, you can go to publish and you can download the zip file for your iOS or Android, and you will get a code that's an external framework for you to connect to your application. The mobile SDK is something new that we have added recently, and we're still very welcoming feedback because it's still in the beta testing phase. So if you have any feedback, please share it with us. Now I want to show you a cool example from Austrian Airlines of how they collect feedback within their mobile app. If you wish to develop your own button, whether that is a floating button or a button that is already on your website, you can of course do that and connect it with UserSnap. So then you should choose the website widget in this selection. And then you can customize your widget and then go to target. So in target, you can trigger the widget with an API event. So you should define an API event with your native button, and then that should execute a JavaScript that will call out the widget from UserSnap. Once you have defined that event, you should put an event over here. Okay? So now I want to show you an example from Google of how they have their own button that pop-ups a feedback widget. The last thing I want to show you to help you build a seamless experience is how to remove the Power By branding. So in Build and under Style tab, you can go down to the bottom and decide to hide the Power By, and then it'll be gone from your widget. So this is a company plan feature, which is also the plan for you to decide that you want to customize the colors, the designs, the fonts, and the position. For those that are interested, there you go. Hope this video has been helpful to you. And that's it from me. Thank you and stay awesome.